guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing the Seibon carbon fiber trunk install on Brennan's Evo X 2008 GSR. We also got some BC racing coilovers coming soon. It's the full deal. We have full package, Swiss springs, everything. So he's gonna be slam tossed. Got some new wheels coming as well. So we're doing a giveaway on those BC coilovers. Just subscribe. But for real, we're installing this today. We have no clue what we're doing. It looks sexy though. So I'll probably get some little. I'll get some good shots of it outside. But stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the subscribers too. I think we're at like 360 right now, so that's awesome. Making good ad revenue. Just kidding, but all right.
More Evo 10 stuff coming.
Yeah. Oh yeah. A bunch of.
Thanks for sticking around in our moment of absence. We had a little hiccup there.
Yeah. So we'll be probably posting more.
We'll be back and better.
Lots of Evo X videos. Some Subaru videos, of course. European stuff. I'm sorry, but probably gonna have to wait a while until I do my stuff on my car because the other car is off the channel for now. So. Here we go. So the first step is going to be getting his old trunk off, and we don't really know what we're doing, but basically we're just going to take off all the bolts and stuff, kind of see what comes off, and then obviously we're going to need like the taillights and all that fun stuff as well. So we're going to start by doing that, and then I'll give you an update. So first bolts we're going to be taking out are these two 12mm on both sides, and that should hopefully release the entire trunk itself. But we do have the wiring for the trunk, or the tail lights right here. Hey, will you grab a flathead screwdriver? Or do you know a way to disconnect the tail lights? Featuring Evan's bait mask.
It's warm, man.
So, we're gonna try. I'm gonna see if we can take off this liner right here, because that should expose the fake hose out there. The tail lights and all the wiring underneath. So we're gonna take that off, get those 12mm bolts on both sides, and just start taking off this old trunk basically, and then bolting everything onto the new carbon trunk.
Just pop out.
So we've almost finished getting all of the wiring clips out and harnesses and stuff out. And then taking off these two 12mm bolts right here. Basically just swapping everything over to the old trunk, and we'll be good. Pop it out, pop it out. So there's our first taillight, and there's our second taillight. We're probably gonna clean these up a little bit, make them look all good for the new trunk. So now all we need to do is pull this whole wiring harness through, and
Which pulls through here.
yeah, which will pull through this hole, and then start unbolting the 12mm. Like I said before, just unbolting those, and then that's about all for the old trunk. And you can just throw that piece of shit right in the garbage. I'm just kidding. It's looking pretty good so far. Once you get those taillights out, it's really just downhill. It goes from there.
Do you want to guide this through? Like, just make sure everything goes through. I don't want to force anything through.
Force it through like Bren just.
Do not force it through. That is a bad idea.
So there's the whole wiring harness, and now
watching the video today. Did a really good job, and there's some stuff that we could fix up today, but I'm not doing that. It's cold as hell. So
yeah, there's definitely going to be some more Hilo 10 content if you enjoy it.
And we definitely won't be gone for as long as we were.
Yeah.
It's not going to happen again. But yeah, so looks good, feels good, nice and smooth. Wish you guys could feel in person. It's crazy, and how light it is. Like, you don't own anything carbon, I recommend it.
Yeah, it's stupid light, but if you guys,
looks amazing.
Yeah, it looks fucking really good. If you guys do want to see more EOX videos,
Hit that subscribe
interior
button.
stuff, more carbon stuff, more
Right over there,
wheels,
somewhere over there.
BC
Just
coilovers.
We'll throw it somewhere.
All right, guys.
link
thanks
to
for
the last
watching.
video
Thanks for
there.
watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Peace out. Subscribe.